using the mouse. Hi friends, let me introduce you to the part of me that you will use the most, the mouse. You can use the mouse to make me do whatever you want with just the click of a button. A mouse is a pointing device. It is called a mouse because, well, it looks like a mouse. A mouse has three parts. There are two buttons, left and right button, and a scroll wheel between the buttons, which is used to move a page up and down. On moving the mouse, an arrow appears on the screen. This arrow moves wherever the mouse is moved. The mouse is used by moving it and pressing its buttons. Pressing a mouse button once and then releasing it quickly is called clicking. When the left button is pressed twice quickly, it is called double clicking. The mouse is a very useful tool that helps you to work on the computer as quick as a mouse.